Hi, this is Gary Kayye. We're here at the Exertis Almo E4 Experience, the first stop on the 2023 tour here in Dallas, Texas. And I'm with the brand new to Exertis Almo, new EVP and COO, Dan Smith. Dan, you're new to Exertis Almo, but certainly not new to the industry.
No, been around the industry quite a bit, so it's really been quite a comfortable change for me.
Yeah, I mean, coming from what you were doing at LG most recently, and your past roles, this is a great opportunity for both you and the company. Congratulations. I'm curious, what do you think of your first E4 on this side of the aisle?
Well, having attended as a manufacturer vendor, it was fantastic the number of people they brought in. But one thing I've learned as I've come over to Exertis Almo is that technology has expanded so much, there's so many options, that what Exertis Almo has done differently is they've become a market enablement company, not just a distributor. When you attend an event like this, you get to see all the manufacturers, you get to see all the technologies, you get to learn, actually do CTSRUs, you get to attend training sessions, you get to establish relationships, and that's kind of the whole, if you put the ball together of what's market enablement, it's really embodied in an event like this.
And then one of the unique sort of offerings that you have here at your event is the services, the professional services that y'all provide, which are sort of upping the game for integrators to be able to provide services that they couldn't normally do on their own.
Yeah, well, some they do and some they don't. So the professional services is really part of that market enablement that we just mentioned. If you look at what happens is manufacturers have a product, end users have a need, sitting in the middle is the integrator, but they don't always necessarily have someone available to do the design work, or someone available to do the installation, or available to do the installation at that location, or someone to do the programming. So what's really nice is the people who have been buying the professional services, when we started offering this in the purchase of Quadrillion in January, I thought it'd be some of the smaller integrators that need help, but actually what's happened is the majority of the purchases have been from the larger integrators that need coverage or need additional assistance, and not to mention we all are faced with the labor shortages right now.
Yeah, and as you can see, there's a lot of people here, and we're blocking one of the main aisles here, so they're being mostly nice to us and letting us do this interview. So obviously you were in my keynote this morning, so you got a chance to see, sort of like hear what my vision for 2023 is, but I'm wondering what yours is. How do you see the market in 2023? Are you feeling good about the direction it's going right now?
Well, if you look at the economy overall for 2023, we're seeing a nice stabilization of the industry. So from a macro perspective, we saw a really high up, we saw a down, and now we're seeing that stabilization. And as we see the technology progress, we're actually seeing things that the end users can use. So quite often, you'll see a technology without an application. A lot of these new technologies have some really nice applications. I think market adoptions for the things you talked about should be high.
Yeah, I agree with you. So we're actually shooting videos at every one of, there's over 45, 50 booths here. We're shooting videos at every one of these booths, including all the new products. Like Bose has a new VBS here, hasn't been seen anywhere other than ISE. Sony has the new AI cameras here. The first place that was shown was ISE. They have the robots here for the first time. LG's robots are here. The concierge robot is actually here from the hospitality market. We shot videos on all this. So you go to ravepubs.com/E4 to see it all. Dan, again, congratulations. Thanks for taking the time to do this interview.
For stopping by.
I appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
Thanks for watching.